Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to play with your friends on your awesome single player Minecraft world without the hassle of setting up a complicated server? Well, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to turn any single player world into a multiplayer game for your friends all right over your local network. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is find the IP address of the computer that's hosting the game. It is super easy. On your PC, go to the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Open the app, and in the black window, type ipconfig and hit enter. Now a whole bunch of text will appear. Look for a line that says IPv4 address. This is your computer's local IP address. Write this down because your friends will need it to connect. Now that you have your IP address, it's time to open your Minecraft world to your local network. Go ahead and launch your Minecraft game. Make sure you are using a version with the TL icon, as this feature works on most launchers. Once you are in your single player world, hit escape to open the pause menu. Click on the button that says Open to LAN. You can adjust some settings if you want, but once you're ready, click on Start LAN World. The chat will now show a message confirming that server was successfully opened, and it will give you a port number, something like 31790. This port number is unique for your session, so make sure you have it ready. Now, have your friend go to their PC and do the following. In the Minecraft launcher, they'll need to go to the multiplayer menu. Click on Direct Connect. In the address bar, they need to combine your IP address and the port number separated by colon. Once they have entered that, they can click Join Server, and just like that, they'll be in your world. There you have it, a super easy way to play Minecraft with your friends over a local network. Now you can build, explore, and survive together on any world you want. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the server.